How to blur the background in Figma. To show you this, I've selected this photo here. And what I want to do is create a rectangle on top of it, like this. Just let me reposition it so it's in the center. And I want to round out the corners to make it look better, like that. And what you want to do is make sure that it's white all the way to the top, like this. And the way we blur this is going to be, well, going to the right hand side, and we're going to choose effects. Just click on the plus sign, and from here the default effect is drop shadow. We're just going to select another one, which is background blur, and this is the one you want. And as you can see, for now nothing happens. That's because we have to do a couple of things before that works. So the next thing is you want to go to the fill section and you want to decrease the opacity. Very important, not the layer opacity, but the fill opacity. Okay, so you can just click on that, and you can press shift on your keyboard and the down key, and you press the down key on your keyboard, and that will decrease the opacity. And as you can see, it's still not blurry, so what we want to do is go back to the effects and go to the effect settings, which is this sun looking symbol. You just click on that, and now we have to increase the background blur. You can again press shift and press the up key until it's blurry enough. This will give you an interesting like frosted glass effect, which you can use as a background for your text or something else if you don't want the picture to interfere with your text. So that's how you blur the background in Figma. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.